with this call to open our hearts and minds to others' ideas, with a quote from a wonderful poet, philosopher, writer. She's from Iran. She was born in Tehran, and I apologize to her if I mispronounce her name. Kamand Kajori. She wrote this lovely quote in 2017, which I feel is very applicable for the last 2 years. It's now March 2022, so this could have been written recently as well, but she wrote it in 2017, relating to, what was going on at that time, but or alluding to, I don't even fully, attempting to find the full context of her quote, but it just speaks to me, and I think our world today. And the fact that it was written in 2017 reminds me, and can remind all of us, that historically we have gone through similar things, and let's come together and open our hearts. And here is her quote. She said, "They want us to be afraid. They want us to be afraid of leaving our homes. They want us to barricade our doors and hide our children. Their aim is to make us fear life itself. They want us to hate. They want us to hate the other. They want us to practice aggression and perfect antagonism. Their aim is to divide us all. They want us to be inhuman. They want us to throw out our kindness. They want us to bury our love and burn our hope. Their aim is to take all our light. They think their bricked walls will separate us. They think their damned bombs will defeat us. They are so ignorant, they don't understand that my soul and your soul are old friends. They are so ignorant, they don't understand that when they cut you, I bleed. They are so ignorant, they don't understand that we will never be afraid, we will never hate, and we will never be silent, for life is ours." So I call for us all to be like Kamand Kajori and the we of which she speaks, of whom she speaks. We are now at war, and it's natural to find one villain, one enemy, among the many, shall we say, villains, or those who are not pure of heart or pure of intention. It's not only one out there. There are many of us. Probably each of us has politicians in our country who might not be pure-hearted. So let's not point to one person and then let it spill over into either mistreating or alienating or hating the people of that country. I see something dangerous happening in a dangerous pattern. So I call for us all to find the spirit in this poem and remember we are all the same. We are all of one heart. Just remember that we're all of the same blood in the deepest sense, of the same spirit. We can find that love and understand that we all have moments of confusion or different opinions or different understandings. But rather than look for the enemy and fight the enemy and hate the enemy, let's find the love. Who can we love? Can we find the child in that enemy? Can we find the former friendship we had with someone we might feel angry at. Even those villains out there, let's see if we can find the humanity in them, or at the very least realize that there's many who we need to be aware of, But ultimately, let's come back to the message that I want to impart of love, and this quote, one sentence, that my soul and your soul are old friends. Let's remember that. Old friend. Thank you.